If you are a new YouTuber or a small YouTuber or a new small YouTuber, I recommend you to go and do this setting right now. Right now. When you watch this video finish, go and do it right now. Okay? Don't say I'll do it tomorrow. As you watch this video, go and do it right now. Okay? It's very important. Before you say that YouTube is hard, I'm not getting views, I'm not getting YouTube is hard to monetize, you are the one in the wrong setting, guys. You are the one in the wrong setting. So go and do it. Okay? Do it before you upload your video. Okay? Do it before you upload your video. Or if you do not yet open a YouTube channel, make sure that you open a new channel and do that setting before you upload a video, so you'll be very smoothly. Okay? But if you have already opened a channel, no problem, you can do the setting again. Okay? You can do it again and you go smoothly. Okay? So my name is King Crypto. I like to drop all this about mining, investment, YouTube strategies. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell, and anytime that I drop a video will notify you. Okay, and like. Okay, yeah, let's go there.
When you head to your phone or your Android or your iPhone, you are going to search YouTube Studio. So that is it up here. Okay, right, search it exactly and tap it. So when you tap it, make sure you tap this place. Okay, so when you tap, you will come here and tap continue to studio. It's very important. So this is my channel that I am now. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to come over here. Let me zoom it for you guys. You are going to come here. This setting is very important. Come here, because this setting, many YouTubers just open a YouTube channel and that is all. They will not set it. So I'm going to show you these settings. So first thing, you come this upload defaults. Okay, you will come here and make sure that this place is on private. What private means is that when you upload your video will first upload private first. Okay, and when you first upload your private, listen to me carefully, guys. When you upload your video private, you will leave it for good 30 minutes or 1 hour before you switch it to public. Okay, you can switch it there in your app. Okay, just press that place upside of the editing, and when you press that editing place, it will just show you and you just swap it to public. Okay, you just switch it to public and you post. But first of all, set it to private, so when you post your video, will first be private. So when if your video is copywriting, YouTube will first send you notification that this your video is copywriting. So if you put it in private and you upload your video, if your video is copywriting, YouTube will not strike your video, or you will not strike your channel because you have not uploaded the video yet. They will just send you a notification that this your video is copywriting. So they just give you warning that this video is copywriting, don't upload it. So when YouTube send you, so that's why I told you that you wait for a good 1 hour or 30 minutes. So you wait. So if YouTube do not send you any notification, you are good to go. It's not copywriting. But if YouTube send you a notification, it's a copywriting, you will just go and edit it back or delete the video, upload another video. Okay, but if you upload it to public and you post it, if your video is copywriting, YouTube is going to strike your channel immediately. But when you are in private, they will just give you a warning that, guy, this YouTube is a copyright thing, don't post it. Okay, so you know what I mean for that. So you post it, you leave it for 30 minutes or 1 hour before you post it, so you understand what I'm talking. So just post it for a private. So if you come this place, all this place, leave it. Okay, you just come this place. Okay, so set it on this place exactly how I set is my own. Okay, and come here, set your category to any niche that you are doing. If you are doing comedy, you will set it to comedy. If you are doing education like how I'm doing, you will set it to education. If you are doing entertainment, you set it to entertainment. If you are doing a gaming, you will set it to gaming. If you are doing a music or you are a musician, you understand. I hope you will understand all these things. You will understand it. So just search for your niche and tap it. Okay, tap it. So me, I'm education because I'm teaching people. So I'm education. You understand me? So the second place, your language and caption verification. That means your language. What language are you speaking? So if you are speaking India, you will change it to India. If you are speaking English, you will leave it for English here. If you are speaking anything China, because right now I'm speaking in English, so you leave it in English. Oh sorry, I already leave it to English, guys. So this place, just leave it known. Don't put anything here. This place too, don't put anything here. Okay, put this on basic, leave this thing on. So this is very important. This last one is YouTube, like show how many views like these videos. So if like you are a new YouTuber, don't on this thing up, don't put it on the mark, off it. Because if you upload a video and your video is like 2 like, 3 like, 4 like, you will know that if anyone come and tap into your video and watch it, they will say that this guy just have a 2 like, 3 like, this guy is not, a video is not interested. That's why people don't like your video. They will just scroll up, they will say this guy is not. But when you hide your like, if they don't see your like, they will think that if you are not the best, so they will think like this guy is the best, because you don't now they will not show the like. Because some people nowadays, YouTubers, if you do not have a much like, they will just say this is new YouTubers. Okay, so don't on it off, because if you on it on, if you post a video, if your video have less like, views going to see it, they are going to see your like there. So just off it. So your views will not going to see like how many like you have. They will not see it. Okay, they will not see it. You are the one going to see it. So you know some people now, let me just give you an example. Like now, if I enter my YouTube channel right now and I'm watching a video and I see the video that has 2 like, 4 like, I will say this video is not important. That is why they give him a small like. I will still come out from that video. That's what I'm doing. But if this guy have too much like, or he have too much views, I'll say, wow, this guy has a much views, how much like, oh wow, I'm going to watch this because this video is very interested. That's why people like it and watch it. Understand me? But if you hide your views from people, they are not going to see your views and like. Understand me? And that's why they will just be continue be liking and be viewing it, because they are not seeing it. Understand? So turn it off. Okay, I don't want to waste your time. That is all. When you turn it off, you do all this setting that I told you. You just come here and press this play that shows save. Okay, this is number 1 place. Let's go again. Come up, come to this channel, press this place. So if you are a learner, you are educational, just put from this place, this is your keyword. Just put like example, you are cooking rice, like you are cooking jollof. You just like how to cook jollof, secret top 5 secret cooking jollof. You know how to cook jollof rice, how to cook that thing. You understand? We just put it step by step and just be like now I'm educational. I will just say how to set your YouTube channel perfectly. We just press like that. So you understand? So I have already put it on the knees like that. You understand? So when anybody search it on that side, anybody search my video how to set your YouTube channel perfectly, they are going to see my video over there. You understand me? So if anybody search how to do this, they will see me. If anyone search this is what I learned my friend and family, if you search like that exactly, they will see my video there. You understand? So if you are like you are jollof rice, you just put like you are making a video of jollof of how to cook a food, or how to cook, just like you just write how to cook a food, how to cook a jollof rice, how to cook a fried rice, how to cook it. You understand? Hope you understand what I'm talking, guys. So you just put your, if you are a comedy, we just put like funny guy, brinjota, all this tagging news. So when anybody search for a brinjota, they will see you over there. Will say that this guy is comedian. You understand me? So that is like that. Just put it anyone, but don't allow it to pass a 20, a 15. That is all 12. Okay, come this advanced setting. Come here, set this thing, because many people are not setting. That's why setting is very important. A lot of people, if you do not set their channel, the mark is going to be here. It's going to be here, not here. It's going to be here. So that's why if you come, you sit here and you swap it to up here. Set this channel as not made for kids. Like, set this channel is not made for kids. So set it up here. Understand me? Calm down. Exactly how I set it, like that. On this thing, on this place. Turn off all this mark. Turn on all of them here. On this one and on this one, and save it. You understand me? That is all, guy. That is the best setting that you will do, and I promise you that if you are posting a video, you are going to enjoy me. You are going to enjoy, guys. You are going to enjoy.
If you see this video nice for you, okay, or you see it sweet for you, or you learn a lot for this video, do not forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell.